My name is Alton Perry, and I'm a machinist. I started machining back when I was 18, 17. Before that, I was washing dishes, probably, something like that, cutting yards. What I like to do for fun, I got a metal detector. I like to go to the beach and find stuff. I'm a rock collector. I like hiking and stuff and everything, getting out into the woods and stuff. Oh, one of my superpowers, I'm kind of pretty versatile because I can run the manual machines or the CNC machines, and I do inspection. I bring a lot of knowledge from experience from as long as I've been doing it to this company. For the company itself, everything is like moving to the future, how industry should be. Because I've been in this industry a long time. I was in here before they had CNC machines. So I've seen a lot of changes in it, and this is a new change for me to see, and I think it's one that's gonna really make the place take off. Ricky Rhino is cool. Yeah, I love it, yeah, it's great. The insignia stands out. Yes, I really love it. Oh, my favorite project, manual. I love manual machining mostly because you get a chance to use your hands a lot, and you have to think more about how you're gonna approach the part versus the CNC machines. You throw the part in there, write some programs, and it's gone. The manual machines, it's all up to you to make that part. Maybe that's me, I'm old school because I grew up with the manual machines. But other than that, though, it's hard to say. If you love machining, you like it all. I like to see what's next. I like the changes that are being made, and I think there's more to come, and I like to be around to see it all happen. It's the future of machining. I'm glad I'm a part of it.